We are here to look Google Pixel 5 first impressions. Firstly, see the availability of the products. The Pixel 5 will be available first in 8 countries on October 15th. Then on October 29th in the US through Verizon, Google Fi. And unlocked from Google's online store for $699. That's really cheap. Yay! You heard it right. Google also reveals that Pixel 5 XL might not be in the cards this year. Yay, I mean there is no Pixel 5 XL, only Pixel 5. One of the most interesting things about the Pixel 5 is its price. In a world where top-of-the-line phones from most other companies cost upwards of $1,000, the Pixel 5 is refreshingly affordable at just $629. When you compare this side by side with 2019's Pixel 4 series, it's pretty impressive how much more affordable the Pixel 5 actually is. The 128GB Pixel 4 retailed for $899, with the 128GB Pixel 4 XL costing $999. Maybe you check the price variations for today, by clicking on the purchase link in description box. Coming to aesthetics and colors. It's available in just black and subtle sage colors, and with Google choosing to not offer a white model at all this year. Okay, before getting into next topic, if you guys seeing my channel for first time, let's hit the subscribe button and be part of the family. Alright. Now you may thinking why the phone is so cheap, and here is the catch. The main takeaway here is that Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G processor. All previous Pixels have shipped with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 800 series chip, the highest end option offered by Qualcomm / Other flagships like the Galaxy S20 and OnePlus 8 Pro utilize the Snapdragon 865, but that's not the case for the Pixel 5. But, the Snapdragon 765 chipset inside the Pixel 5 is more than powerful enough for any app or game you throw at it. And with this decision, you get to benefit from high-end performance without having to pay out the nose for it. Looking at some of the other specs, it's great to see that Google once again offers a 90Hz refresh rate for the Pixel 5's display, along with an OLED panel for great colors and deep blacks. The 4080 mAh battery is also substantially larger than the 2800 mAh unit the Pixel 4 shipped with, which should allow for a night and day difference when it comes to battery life. Camera quality is always the #1 reason to buy a Pixel phone over anything else. The primary camera is the exact same 12.2MP sensor that we've had for years, but on the Pixel 5, it's joined by a 16MP ultra-wide camera. This is the first time any Pixel phone has shipped with an ultra-wide lens. And the telephoto one that was introduced on the Pixel 4 is nowhere to be seen. Outside of that, you'll notice those are the only cameras present on the back of the Pixel 5. In a world where so many phones are shipping with 4 or 5 different rear cameras, Google's decision to only offer 2 does go against market trends. However, as we've seen time and time again, having 1 or 2 excellent cameras instead of a bunch of extra ones that aren't any good is usually preferable. If you enjoyed the video, you guys can initiate a discussion in the comment box, if you have any different opinions about the contents in this video. Be the first to start the debate in the box below. Purchase links related to the products in this video are kept in description. We will be grateful if you could please make your next purchase from that link, as this will help us to grow our channel. Good morning, good evening and good night, whichever part of the world you are from. Don't forget to subscribe to stay connected. I will assure you to make quality and interesting videos in future. This is Jason Peter, signing off.